A lot of people ask, how can I improve my English every day?
The answer is simple: daily habits.
Not long study sessions?
No, small habits are more powerful.
What's the first habit you recommend?
Start your day with English.
How exactly?
Change your phone language to English.
That's easy but effective.
Yes, you see English all day.
What about listening?
Listen while doing daily activities.
Like cooking or commuting?
Exactly.
Do learners need to understand everything?
No, just listen consistently.
What's another daily habit?
Speak to yourself in English.
Some people feel shy about that.
But it's very effective.
What can they talk about?
Their plans, thoughts, or feelings.
Simple sentences?
Yes, simple is perfect.
How about vocabulary?
Learn 3 new words a day.
Only 3?
3 words you actually use.
That's better than memorizing long lists.
Exactly.
What about reading?
Read short content daily.
Like messages or short articles?
Yes, even social media posts.
Writing is important too, right?
Very important.
How can beginners practice writing?
Write 1 sentence a day.
About anything?
Anything at all.
Do mistakes matter?
Mistakes mean progress.
That's encouraging.
English improves with use, not perfection.
What's the most important habit?
Consistency.
Not motivation,
Motivation comes and goes.
but habits stay.
Exactly.
So even 5 minutes a day helps.
5 minutes every day beats 1 hour once a week.
That's a great reminder.
Small steps create big change.
So if you want better English,
Build better daily habits.
some learners think they need perfect grammar before speaking.
That's a common mistake,
Why is that a problem?
because waiting stops progress.
So speaking first is better?
Yes, speaking builds confidence.
What if they make mistakes?
Mistakes are part of learning.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
All the time.
Another habit is shadowing.
That's a powerful technique.
Can you explain it?
Listen and repeat immediately.
Like copying the speaker.
Exactly.
Does it help pronunciation?
Yes, and rhythm too.
How long should shadowing last?
Just 2 or 3 minutes.
That's not long at all.
Short practice works best.
What about thinking in English?
That's another great habit.
How can learners start?
Use simple thoughts.
Like what?
I'm hungry. I'm tired.
Everyday thoughts.
Exactly.
Does that reduce translation?
Yes, it trains your brain.
What about watching videos?
Choose short videos.
With subtitles?
Start with subtitles, then remove them.
That's challenging.
But very effective.
Should learners repeat the same video?
Yes, repetition builds understanding.
What about accents?
Expose yourself to many accents,
Why is that important?
because real English has many voices,
That's true.
and it improves listening flexibility.
Any habit before sleep?
Light review.
Not heavy study.
Never heavy.
Just listening or reading?
Yes, keep it calm.
So English becomes part of life.
Not a stressful task.
That mindset changes everything.
It really does.
Another important habit is consistency.
Yes, consistency beats intensity.
Many people study hard for one day, then stop.
That's very common.
But English needs daily contact.
Even a little every day.
What happens if you skip a day?
Nothing bad, just continue tomorrow.
No guilt?
No guilt at all.
That's good to hear.
Learning should feel friendly.
What role does confidence play?
A huge role.
Why is confidence so important?
Because confident learners speak more.
And speaking improves fluency.
Exactly.
How can learners build confidence?
By celebrating small progress.
Like what?
Understanding a sentence without subtitles.
Or speaking without stopping.
Yes, even for 10 seconds.
Progress doesn't need to be big.
Small wins matter.
What about comparing yourself to others?
That's dangerous.
Why?
Because everyone learns at a different pace.
Social media makes it harder.
True, but comparison steals joy.
So focus on your own journey.
Always.
Do you recommend language partners?
Yes, but with low pressure.
How so?
Short conversations, simple topics.
Not long debates.
No, keep it friendly.
What topics work well?
Daily life, hobbies, plans.
Things you already know.
Exactly.
That makes speaking easier.
And more natural.
What if learners feel shy?
Start with listening more.
Listening builds comfort.
Yes, comfort comes first.
Any advice for busy people?
Use waiting time
Like waiting in line?
or commuting.
Even 1 minute counts.
It really does.
So English fits into life.
Not the other way around.
That's a healthy approach.
And sustainable.